You want a goat and some chickens. And that's cool.
You're going to be doing some goat yoga too.
Oh my goodness. I love that woman. All right, what's up, y'all? We back at a piece of property. We're about to do some work. About to get this work going. And I'm going to turn the camera around here in a little bit and show you what's what. I'm assessing for snakes and such, though, before I do what I do. So this is the fence. I'm fixing to clear this little bit out. And it's about 10 acres of land here. And we're going to be getting busy on a little bit of it. It's flat land, not a lot of trees, but that's okay. And through there you can see sort of that what's been cut. We'll get to that in a minute. But walk down. And it goes all the way to that other grate down there, but we'll walk down there and check that out in a minute. But I'll pan country roads. Wow. Brought my lawnmower out. First things first. Driveway. All right.
I told you the first time when I tried to cut the grass at home, right after you got it, I put it in the battery holder part.
I'm gonna do this first, see how close I can get up on the fence.
Okay.
Here. Put these together. So we're gonna clear this area out, which will be the driveway that we use to get on the land and start our homesteading journey. All right, it's a blade on top. Hey, that looks like that piece of concrete is like separated a little bit, so we'll see. Gotta be able to see everything around me. Ain't playing no games out here. Should have brought a rake so I can get some of the junk out the way. Ain't nothing like a big tree in the middle of the driveway. Woo! All right, got you a little tree, something you can plant.
Oh, nobody want that.
Got little bugs in this one. Clean that out later. Is that another tree in there? It is. Ouch! Thorns.
Where's your gloves?
I'm bleeding. Look, this is my lawnmower for residential. So I know it's not the best choice, but she a sturdy old gal. Look for leak. Nasty. Hey, look, thanks. Call her kid. Huh? You want to push a little bit?
Sure.
Get you warmed up. Just lift it when you get to that point. Man, this thing got thorns all over it. What is it?
Watch out, you might get mowed up.
Huh?
I said, watch out, you might get mowed up.
You can. Ouch. Be careful. Damn, that sucker got serious thorns on it though. Show the people how my chainsaw works.
It's not a chainsaw.
It's a circular saw blade on a weed eater.
Exactly. Definitely not a chainsaw.
Come on, I know that.
Ain't no chain on that
The
saw.
people know that. I just said I forgot I should have brought my chainsaw though. It's pretty dull. Smoking. I be smoking.
Let's kick that thing.
Timber.
You're like a real lumberjack. You're a little lumberjack.
You're welcome. You know, you got you something. All right, so we knocked that out pretty quick. She was back there getting her work on. This is where we gotta cut off and get open. Not sure how sturdy this is, but we're gonna get in there and get it done.
Happens.
Kick it and see what happens.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't want to do that yet. Okay. Then I won't have no work to do with my tractor.
Well, watch the thing. You told me to watch them.
And then this side also, and that tree right there has to come down. We'll see what the tractor and the chainsaw can handle that with. We get it done. All right. You finna cut that off?
I can try.
I'm about to get my angle grind on.
What do you want me to do?
The disc is old, but I'm gonna use it first, see what we can do. Eye protection. Worked out just fine. All right, I cut that little piece off and I'm gonna cut another little piece off. Cut me a little piece off. So we gotta cut that off. So we don't bend the gate. That is rusted under there. It ain't made for whole tree branches, but. Oh, wait. I'm tripping. I have a sawzall. I mean, a reciprocating saw. Oh, shit.
Where are you going?
That's a hole right there.
Oh, man.
Must be something living in that thing. All right. Try this. All right. All right. Let me cut this real quick first though. Make sure we good. Remember, it's a stump right here. Water. That's cut. Did I move? In the All right, so we cleared all this out. Hopefully it showed up on the last one. But we cleared all this out. I cleared all this out probably about, it's wet, it's raining, about a month ago or so ago. And just to see what the land was like over here. But I got with my auntie and she was like, man, I got 10 acres that ain't been touched in years. And she was like, look, if y'all really serious about homesteading, you can go ahead and after you sell your house, y'all can stay on the property, get you started, get things rolling until you find your own piece of land. So it's temporary, but we're going to bring it to y'all anyway because it's cool. So you can see this thick, bushy area down there. It's the street. So the land goes way down the street. And this is about as close as, this is about 20 feet or so to the ditch and then the street over there. And then back that way. Man, I don't know. That's like 300-400 feet back that way. But we can go walk down this again. I cut this path, man, a long time ago, about a month ago with my tractor. So we'll bring the deer back out and clear some more and get some off-grid stuff happening, some things built. Not sure where we're going to put anything just yet, but here we go. You see the little gates on that thing? It opens up and that's where the cow or bull or whatever puts their head through. And then they close it. The little rusty thing.
I see it.
Yeah. So this is where they did some little station, something years and decades ago. And then I'm not walking in there yet. I'm going to have to inch up to that because I don't know what's in there. But I mean, it might zoom a little bit, but that's a place where the donkey actually lives. So we'll have a farm animal right off the rip. We'll have a jackass. If you keep walking.
Sometimes too.
Huh?
Huh?
Oh, okay. So if you keep walking, there's a few little openings. And then I'm not finna walk too far back off in there yet either until I can really clear it. But this is kind of the backside of that little structure. And I don't know if we are going to keep that structure up or not. But if you turn back and look that way, you can see that's a pretty good distance from the street. So it's about 100 feet or so from the corner. We're on the corner. So from each street, we're about 100 feet or so. Anyway, heard something over in the grass over there. I'm out. Anyway, all right. So we good?
I think
what you gonna do on the property?
Run around.
Okay. Run around and do what?
Maybe do some goat yoga. What?
You want a goat and some chickens. And that's cool.
You're going to be doing some goat yoga too.
Oh my goodness. I love that woman. So we are going to, you can see where we kind of cut, I cut it out before. So you can see it was just real quick. But I'm probably going to knock out quite a bit more of that way back here. And probably going to start with solar.
I did a good job, huh?
Probably
look what I did.
Girl,
I cut a lot.
You did the most excellent
I mulched
job
it all up.
of all. Man, I hope my lips ain't ashy on camera because them suckers is dry.
Yeah.
You going to try to drive in?
No,
Girl, no.
not with my tires.
No, those tires will be just fine.
Not with this. Look at that. Poop.
Nah, we'll get the stumps up. We'll get the stumps up.
It won't fit without getting scratched right now anyway.
Yeah. So I'm going to bring the chainsaw back, work on that. It's actually holding this up pretty good, that post. So at least we know that that's in there pretty decent. And then this post, probably get some hardware. Oh, it's in there. Some hardware.
That's
so
a
it can
big old thing.
lock up pretty good. You going to close it up?
Yeah, I can.
Okay, look. So you can see it's pretty rusted under here, under all of those. But this one's okay.
Okay.
So if you grab it under those.
Okay.
Pull it all the way. Oh shit, she got muscles.
Look at that.
What? All right, let's get it locked up.
You wish you was strong like me.
It fits.
Show you my workout routine.
Nice. All right, this is good.
And you might have a few muscles like me.
That's temporary, but it's true.
Well, my muscles are temporary.
Let me see your muscles one more again. Oh. All right, so it's the camera and stuff is getting wet. So yeah, man, it's time to tiny. Follow us. All that good stuff that people normally say for YouTube videos. We gonna be who we gonna be, and we gonna get some ish done. You feel me?
All right.
Okay,
now get over here and put this stuff
Peace.
up.
Huh?
Get over here and put this stuff up.
I'm fixing too. Hold on.